My dear children, in this module, we are going to discuss some examples with the logic gates, truth tables, etc. We can describe a logic circuit algebraically. Any logic gate can be built from the three basic building blocks, that is OR, and NOT. Here I am giving example 1 as x is equal to AB plus C. So how many inputs are AB plus C? There are 3 inputs, A, B and C. Look at the second example, A plus B into C. So look at the notations here. The AB denotes A and B. AB is using OR operator with the C. So let us draw a logical circuit for the example, that is x is equal to AB plus C. Look at here, we need to draw the logic circuit, that is AB at first. This one. After that, from the output, you need to add another input called C. Then make OR gate. There is a slight difference between and OR. AND gate, it looks like a D symbol, whereas OR having a pointed arrow. So, how to draw a logical circuit for AB plus C? First of all, we need to draw AB. So that we need to enter A input and B input, then draw the AND gate, then make the output, that is AB, A into B. Then from the output, you need to give another input to OR gate. So it will make x is equal to A dot B plus C. Let us discuss the next one. So if we want to give the logical circuit of A plus B into C. So first we need to give what? The A plus B circuit. So that we need to enter 2 inputs along with the OR gate. So it will make A plus B. From the output of A plus B, you need to give another input called C and make it an AND gate. So you will get A plus B dot C. I think you are all clear about how to make logic circuits with the inputs and how to get the output. Some other example, A bar plus B. A bar. So how to give A bar? How to inverse the input? A is followed by a NOT gate, makes A bar. Then B along with the OR gate. So it will make x is equal to A bar plus C. Look at here. A plus B the whole bar. A plus B the whole bar. How it makes? We have to give A plus B. Then a whole bar means the output entirely followed through a NOT gate. So this is called A plus B the whole bar. These are the some other examples. Then how to evaluate a logical circuit? So here is a problem, that is A bar BC into A plus B the whole, A plus D the whole bar. There are how many inputs are there? Normally 4, A, B and D. Determine the output of X given A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, C is equal to 1, D is equal to 1. Can also determine the output level from a diagram. So after making the diagram, it is easy to determine the output of A bar B into C whole is multiplied with the A plus D the whole bar. So we are giving the values of A, B, C. So A is inversed, mean the value of A become inversed as 1. Then we are giving the input as B, that is 1, C as 1. Look here. So while we are making A bar, it becomes 1. That will be the output for AND gate. So entire input become, here it is 1, 1, 1. So all the inputs are 1. So you will get the output as 1. It is given to the next one. Okay. Then A plus B, A plus D the whole bar. So we are taking the input from A. So the A value is 0. Then D value is 1. So 1 plus 0. So this denotes multiplication. This denotes addition. After making this, you need to make it as inverse. So you will get 0. Then 1 into 0, you will get the output as 0. Look how easily we can get the output. If we are giving the logic gate along with the logical operators and its input and output, the only thing we must aware about what happens in the AND gate and what happens in the OR gate along with the NOT gate. If you know all these things, this will be an easy problem for rectifying it. We can use the truth table for AND or NOT. If you are having any confusion, please look at the truth table. Which combination makes the output as 1 and which one having the output as 0. So there will be an easiness for getting the clarification. My dear children, try this. Try these gates. Draw the circuit diagrams of these 3 questions. Draw the truth table for all these things. Truth table. And derive the Boolean expression from this gate. Here I am giving a gate. What will be the y? You need to derive. While we are seeing at online session, you need to answer for these questions. Thank you.